At Dyako Educational Compound, English is not just a school subject, it's more than that. We are here to teach your kids not only how to pass the exams, we are here to learn them and to be confident, to get new ideas, learn about different cultures, and feel free and confident inside the classrooms and to speak everyone in every place. At our English department, we are here to make your kids to feel confident and safe to even speak up, even make mistakes. We're trying to give you regular feedbacks on daily basis to see your progress on all the 4 skills that we have, which are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. And if you want to improve your English language, I can give you a few steps to improve them. The first one is to change your phone or iPad setting into English language and to hear podcasts and to watch your favorite shows with subtitles. This will help you to speak English and it improves your communication. The second one is to listen to native speakers and people that are speaking English very well. Try to listen to their rhythm and tone and memorize it, or you can also record your voice and listen to it to see and improve your pronunciation also. Last but not least, the third point that I have is very important. It's okay to make mistakes. Mistakes will make you feel confident and it's also a learning point for you. Even having an accent, it's okay. This will show you that you're learning a new language. Let's stop studying English and use it in our daily life. Thank you for listening.
Dyako Educational Compound.